Hi guys.
Hi puppy. Say hi puppy. Hi puppy.
Hey.
Gotta eat that.
Oh, what? You getting ready for a hurricane, boy? Huh? Let's see if you like this thing. What? Oh, what is that? I don't know about that thing. Thing might be scary. Oh, that thing's going freakers. It's all crazy. Thank goodness. Thank goodness that thing's finished. Damn. What's up with that? I don't like it. I don't think I like it.
Oh, that's all it.
Ma, what you think about the cane coming?
Oh, Poppy. You know I don't like it.
Huh?
I don't like it. I'm scared. I'm scared I have to be in that
You
closet.
frightened?
I'm scared I have to go live in the closet.
That's right. This is your safe room. In here. That's the safe house. This is my safe house right here. Air conditioner.
The room with the big
And
hole.
generator. What?
I'm still irritated by that whole.
What's the name of this hurricane anyway?
Katrina.
Katrina?
Katrina, girlfriend.
Yeah. Katrina ain't so bad, huh, boy?
You don't
We could take Katrina.
You don't. Who wants to read some books?
Right.
I'll read some books.
Wind gusts 190 miles per hour. The storm surge most likely topple our levee system. So we are preparing to deal with that also. So that's why we ordered mandatory evacuation. This morning, the Superdome is already open for people with special needs. If you're in a medical condition, if you're on dialysis or some other condition, we want you to expeditiously move to the Superdome. At noon today, the Superdome will then be opened up as a refuge of last resort, where we will start to take the citizens that cannot evacuate. Let me emphasize, first choice for every citizen is to figure out a way to leave the city. And we're advancing all the churches. We sent out a fax to all the
Oh, I got big problems with this goes. Okay, well, I mean, as long as it's this is tolerable, you know. If it doesn't get 3 times like as this, then it won't. Yeah, no, I expect it to get worse, but you know, as long as it doesn't get 3 times as bad, I think we're good to go. Yeah, but that all comes after us. Yeah, just by looking at the other roads across the street, it doesn't look too bad yet. This tree really wants to get in. I've been beating against this window all day. Yeah, you can't come in. Make a tree and leave. Holy shit, alright.
When they heard this information,
Just coming back from Pippi's house, checking on it. His house is alright. Just trying to get back home. Doesn't look like this place got hit too bad. Trees down, the houses look alright. It's right down the street from us. There's a fun arcade. Big Dornex. Blowed out. There's our house down there. Here comes a helicopter, picking people up off their roof. There it is. Somebody hanging from there. Alright, this is Jefferson Parish side. And we're about to hit the New Orleans side. It's gotten ugly. This is the New Orleans side. Jeez.
Got this lady that he knew out the
Luis
house.
go in
Just
the
drove
bus.
over there with a bulldozer like that.
What's that?
Luis go with his friend in the bus. We want to see his son.
You know, brought the lady
He
with
was in the house.
his house. And this lady he knew. Come out the
So
house.
Luis went in the boat with him?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I hope they get my father-in-law out too, because he lives right around the same area.
The other way.
My license still says River Ridge, so it's like Fairhaven, locked now.
And he didn't see Maria, I guess.
What's up, Mom?
Hey, Poppy, how are you?
Where is we?
Cotton,
Hello.
Cotton Ford.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, there's your
Hello. A loopy doop. We had to run away. We had to run away from the storm. It done blowed everybody's house down. Hello, boy. Hey, man. Hey, bubbies.
fighting for it.
Hey, bubbies. Oh, hello. Hi. Hello to you. Oh, hello. Hello. Hello.
Get a shot of how much his legs have grown. He touches all the way in the bottom, his legs are bent.
Oh, this boy's huge.
We need to
He's
push
a
it
big
up another
mammoth.
time. We need to push it up again.
He's a mammoth. Get that dog in. Ugh.
Come here, girl. Bring your toys.
There's these drums. Hey, y'all.
Hey, Poppy. Come here, Poppy.
Hello.
Hey, Poppy.
Hi.
Oh,
Hey, dude. How are y'all doing?
As well as we expected, considering the club.
Why you gotta have a club, dude? You got a big club on your arm and whatnot. What? Oh, hello. Hello, hi. Yes. This is your little hospital room. In Bunkie. Yes. You all hooked up on a line. There you little line that goes all the way to your club. Yes. You got the duties. You got the bloody duty. How you living, Biggie Mom?
I'm tired.
What?
Tired.
Why? I slept just fine next door.
We were awake a lot of the night.
What were y'all waking up for?
Changing bloody duty diapers.
Y'all watching TV and stuff?
Yeah. Changing bloody duty diapers, having our temperature taken, peeing on our shirt,
They didn't do none of that next door.
changing our shirt. That
They-
was lucky, wasn't it?
Yeah, I was right next door in 104. They didn't do any of that stuff. Man, y'all unlucky. Hey man, hey. Hey Bobby. Yes. I see the boy. I see a little boy. Hey. What'd you say? What'd you say, Clubber Lang? Oh, but.
Oh, Mama had to go on.
Alright, well hopefully we'll be out of here soon. And back to home? No. Back to somewhere else. Yeah, we already slowed this joint out already. Oh yeah. We done moved in here. We done slowed it up. That's right. We done slowed it up, dude. Right. Yes. That's right. Alright.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Hopefully next time you see us we won't be in here. I don't know where we'll be. Won't be here. Bye bye.
Hey, buddy. See your mommy. Huh? Who's in a nice little wagon? Walking. Hi. Hey, buddy.
Hey, it's parade.
Yay.
Thank you, Max
Huh?
Parade. Hey.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi, how are you?
Let's go outside.
Woo. Okay, buddy. Oh, have you got wobbly.
Thank you, Max
There's
Parade.
Daddy. Huh? There's Daddy. We are back at the hospital. Taking a little wagon tour. Huh?
Oh, it's probably don't know how to drive this too good. Alright, yay! It's your Max Parade.
Yay! Hey, buddy. Look at mommy. Oh, it's still sunny outside. I haven't been outside in weeks.
Just look at that. You don't have to look at through the thing.
I'm looking at that. So that'll be fun commentary when you tell me how to use it, when you make me use it. Hey, Daddy.
Get in front of him and show his face.
Yay!
Yay, Mama! Yay!
I'm gonna hit something.
Yay!
I can't get you in the frame. I hope you know that. Because you're walking too fast. Oh, I see you. I see you. Turning your head to the side.
Alrighty.
Looking up.
Oh, hello. It's the Friday, 3 weeks after Katrina. And this is Rita. It's, I don't know, about 11 o'clock on Friday night. Rita is supposed to hit tomorrow afternoon, somewhere around the Louisiana-Texas border. We're just inside watching Anchorman. There's no rain. It's just kind of windy. Most of the damage is already done. The levee broke over by the 9th Ward and it's flooding again. But it's not flooding anything it already has in front already. But it's just kind of windy and not even raining here for Rita. And I think this is probably about as close as it'll get to us. It keeps the rocking chairs moving. Got Mr. Hugh and Miss Evelyn here. Max upstairs sleeping. Just watching us a movie. This tree got destroyed by Katrina. It's gonna have to come down. Big holly tree. There's some nice gusts right there. There goes the chairs. I don't know, that's maybe 45-mile-an-hour winds. It was over 100 for Katrina, so believe me, all this furniture would have been flipped over for Katrina. I still got all my gas tanks set up and the generator ready to go. But I think they dodged it on this one. They didn't dodge it on the last one, though, I guarantee you that much.
Hands.
What?
He just needed to have his hands next to him.
How come you know how to be standing up, boy? What? How's this boy?
Yeah.
Hey, Bobbies! How you know how to stand up like that?
I can't look at that camera.
Oh, stand up, boy.
Alright.
Oh, look at that boy. Yeah. Yeah, that boy. Oh, he's good.
Look at me.
Hey,
Mom.
Bubba. Look up here, man. Look up here. Hey. Yay. That's right.
Big boy.
That's what big boy does.
Who's a big boy?
Oh, man. Look at them chubby wubbies you be standing on.
Catch me out.
Oh, mommy. Hey.
Hi.
I only need one hand. I could be doing something else.
It's X Games crib standing.
Oh, that's right. I could be dicking with something. Oh, yes. I'm skilled. Oh, yay, Bobbies. Look at them ham hocks you got. Look at them ham hocks.
Yay!
And you got big chubby wubbies you standing on. Oh, I still want to be dicking on. What?
I see
you mommies.
I see you.
See that boy?
Yay!
Yeah, Bobby. Yeah.
Okay, I'm here. Here's Max crawling on October 4th. His first day. He's chasing dog food. But he's getting there. He can start far, 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 far away. Oh, I got my dog food prize. Yay, I got my dog food prize.
Do it again. Let's see if we can do
Start
it.
far, far away all over again. I got a fancy way about me to get my dog food, but I'm gonna get there. Huh? Alright, buddy. Whee! I got my dog food. Come on, just the one more foot. So tired. I know you're tired, buddy. Hello. I know. Just a little bit more. Just get to your dog food and I'll turn this off. Huh? Ooh, oh no, you pushed your dog food away from yourself. You gotta crawl a little bit farther. Huh? You gotta crawl a little bit farther. Oh, look, there's a whole bowl of dog food. Why am I wasting my time on this little piece of dog food? Now I get to the source. Now I get to the source. Yay! Hey, look at me, man.
Casinos are down, hotels are down.
Oh, get that ball, boy. Get it. Get that ball. Oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd that ball go? Get it. Ooh. Oh, there it is. There it is. Get it. Get that ball. Oh. Oh. Get it. Get that ball. Yeah, I got it now. Oh, I got it good. Ah, I got it trapped. Oh, damn it. Oh, slippery. Oh, what's that? What's that thing? What's that thing over there I can get? Oh, what is that? No, you don't pull that. You go pull that whole thing down on your head. Get the ball. You came for the ball. Now you gotta have this thing? That just stops the door. That just stops the door. What you need that for? No, wait. You can't play with that stuff, boy. Here, play with this ball. Oh, oh, I got the ball. Oh, oh man, the ball, it always runs away from me. It always runs away from me. Oh, oh, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get the ball this time. I'm gonna get it. You in that ball. Oh, I hit my head. Damn it. That hurt. Oh, Bobby's money's falling out of pocket. I'm penniless. Oh, get that ball, boy. There it is. Get it. Oh, hi. What you got there, dude? Oh, boy. Get it. Get it. Oh, man. Oh. Oh, man. Man, that ball's slippery. That ball's slippery. Oh, I think I got it now. I think I can get it now. Oh, oh, damn it. Hold on. Now you got it. Oh, oh, man. The ball, boy. Oh, don't get sidetracked. Get the ball. Oh, I got the ball now. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. I'm gonna get it. Oh, oh, a fumble. A fumble. Ooh. Oh, I think I can get it. Oh, damn it. I think he's running away from me. Oh, man. Oh, man. Hey, what you doing? No. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. What you doing back there, boy? Hey. Ah. What you doing back here? Oh boy. Oh boy. Hey, get out from back there. Hey, look, I got your ball. There's your ball. There's your ball, boy. Oh, I still want them wires and stuff. Yeah. No. Hey, can't get the wires. Come out here. Come out here. Oh, get out of there.
Bite on your arm.
Hello.
You gotta take a nice picture.
Hello. What you looking at? Oh, hello. That's a pretty picture. Oh, yes. Oh, I throwed it. I throwed it away.
Just gotta put you on camera.
Oh. Oh, man. I'd like to see this little guy. Oh. I think I dropped it.
There you go. Sit down. Show the camera. You can pull yourself back up real quick. Huh?
Oh.
Oh, wait.
Oh, hello.
I'm on camera.
I think he heard Darth Vader in the background going.
You think you heard that earlier when he was sitting on the car? What should I do?
That DVD player is breathing over there. Oh man. What? You chasing me? Don't you be chasing me. Oh, give me that shoe. Oh, and I'm off. Now I'm off. Now I'm off. Now I gotta climb up this thing.
Yay!
Oh, what's that picture? Oh, hello. Oh, hi. Hey. Oh, hello, it's a picture. Maybe I'll just toss you off the side. Huh? Oh, yep, that's what I do. But I never meant it. Oh, hello. Hello, it's a boy. Hi. Oh, man. Oh, man, I like to be dudes. I like to grab it. My defenders. My defenders is
You
fat.
should sit down on the floor and look at it.
Oh, hi.
That baby's on the floor.
Oh, what? Man, now I gotta get down. Oh, but I gotta put my hiney down just right where it don't hurt. Oh, how do I get down? Damn it. Stuck up here. Oh. Man, how do I get down there? I don't want to get to that baby. How do I get down, man? Just drop down, boy. Just drop down. Oh, I want it. Oh, ooh. Ah,
Yay.
grace.
Oh, my God.
I got you now.
You gotta stay some poo-poo.
Heh. Might smell on your butt. Oh, I swaps you. I swap at you. That's right. Swap it up. Oh, I got it.
Yay. All over all day long.
Man. I'm off, man. I'm outie. Peace. Peace out. Peace out. I'm gonna climb on the garbage can.
That's all going on. Sorry.
Oh, hello.
Camera where you can get your magnets.
Hey, show how you do this, boy.
Get your magnets. Huh? No,
No, get off that garbage can, boy.
Go right your magnets. It's right here.
Get some. Oh, I'm gonna get it. Oh, I'm gonna get it.
Alright.
Oh, but I get to peel it off there. Oh, then I stick it in my mouth.
He's still trying to
Oh,
make it stick on the
man.
other side.
Oh man. Oh. How do I get back up? I'm stuck. Oh, hello. Hello, Mr. Giraffe.
Oh, hello. He's coming through.
Here, you want some? Oh, you, yeah. Here you go.
What?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Look at him. Oh, hello. Hey, what's going on down there? That dude's big. Man, feed me.
Feed him someplace else. He's gonna come through here at us.
Oh, feed me.
Oh no. Oh no. Max, what do you think about that guy?
Look at him's tongue. His tongue is hanging out. Yeah. Get him, Max. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. I missed him. Can you hook me up?
Coming after him. Oh no, he's gonna spit on my pants.
What you think about that, Bubba? What you think about that, dude? What you think about him's tongue? Man, I wanna walk around. Ooh.
His tongue is outrageous.
Oh, hello. Oh, my. Max says, man, give me one of them things, man. You keep giving it to that big dude. His tongue. Ooh. Oh, I want that whole bag. I want that whole bag. Oh, give me that bag. Oh, shit. No, you can't have the whole bag. Damn. Damn, that boy ate my bag.
You gotta put those on his tongue for him.
No, he won't eat them. He's good.
It's like a very big blue piece with a long neck. Very starving.
Yeah, that is sweet. What you think about that, dude? Oh, that's nasty. That's nasty. Hello. Oh, you've proven you can't have the whole bag. Ooh, wah. Hey, man. Hey, what's up? Oh, where you heading? Ooh, touchdown. Oh, touchdown. Touchdown, Saints. Yay. What's up, dude? Hey. Hey. Oh, you chasing me. No, you can't get me. Ooh, touchdown. Oh, he scored a touchdown. No. I scored a touchdown. Oh, he got another touchdown. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, beloved. Ooh, that Christmas tree. Look at that. Oh. Go see it. Go see that tree. What you got? What you got, boy? Where's that tree? Where's that tree? Go see it. Go see that tree, dude. Oh, go see that tree. Oh, hello. Oh, hi. Oh. Oh. Do. Oh. Oh. Come on over here. Come on over here. Come on. Come over here. See this tree. Come on. Ooh. Ooh, get it. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh, hello, little tree. Oh. Get that tree. Ooh, how come you can't get over that? What's down there? What's down there? What's it? Oh, look. Look. There's a little dude. I rescued him. Oh, I throw him back in there. I froze him back in there. I froze him back in there. Oh, let's get him back. Let's get him back. I saved him. Thank goodness I saved him. He won't be thrown back again. No way, no how. Oh, dope. Well, I'm back. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Ooh. What? Oh. Hey, dude. What's going on? Oh. Let me read this. Oh, thank you. Thank you. You want me to just hop back and just read the paper, huh? Whoa. Let's see. Let's see what's in the sports page today. Brooks is benched. Oh, let's say bye-bye, Aaron Brooks. Say bye-bye, Aaron Brooks. You gone. Too bad, so sad. What's this tree over here now? Oh, what's this stuff? Man, I throw that away. I don't care about that stuff. Oh, give me that paper again. Oh. How about all the newspapers go away? Yep. Everything goes up there. Where's the tree at, dude? Where's that tree? Oh. 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 I'm sad. I'm sad. Oh. Hey, baby. Ooh, what a towel. Ooh, I'm a monkey. I'm a monkey boy. Ooh, swept it, honey. Let's see. Yeah, I'll show you the buns. I saved your buns. I saved your buns, boy. Ooh. What? Give me that. Oh, hello. Oh no. He's getting his puppy. He's getting him. Ooh, hello. Oh, I'm all you. Paparazzi, get out of my face. Man, I'm gonna smash your camera. Ooh, don't take no pictures of me. I smashed you up. Ooh. Ooh, what's outside them windows, dude? What's that? Who that is out there? Who that is out there, dude? Who's out there? Oh, man, what you... Oh, man, if I could just get that. That would be sweet. That would be sweet. Oh. Oh, man. Who's out there? Who that is out there? Who's out there? Who dude? Who's out there? Oh. Ooh. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Max. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye bye, yes. Bye bye, everybody. Hey, dude. Merry Christmas.
What about this time? Oh, my. You like that?
Check it upon it all.
She's a good black dog. Ah, I'll be happy to bite you on your nose. Yes. How about this here? Oh, it stopped. Oh, what's that thing? What is that? What's supposed to do with this guy? His ears. Not going good. Hey. Oh. Yeah. Oh, you're the big black dog. Brooklyn said, this is heresy.
She repacked her shoes last night.
Oh, yeah.
Where'd it go?
Oh, shit.
Oh, there it is. Well, maybe she'd eaten it by now.
No, she just throws it around.
Where's that shoe, girl? Give me that shoe. Give me that shoe.
Woo!
Oh, hey, man.
What's that got hole?
Oh, the doggy.
Oh. Suzanne's present back there.
Oh yeah, you should go get that too.
I'm gonna get killed, man. Living up to my responsibility.
What about this? Huh? What? Max.
What's he do? How you set that thing off and went off?
I'm really upset to no end apparently last night.
Oh. Oh. What? Whoa, where's he going? Where's he going? What? Oh. It's him.
That's some good stuff. Okay. What's that guy? It's for you. It's for you. Want to sit on him?
Oh, I don't want to sit on it. I want to have it for him.
Just want to grab him and bite him.
Oh, yeah.
That is some super stuff, huh?
Oh, that's good.
Oh. That's good stuff, huh? A little reindeer.
Oh, a reindeer chair. It's a very
For
small,
boys,
tiny, to
yeah.
sit on a little reindeer chair. Though.
Oh.
Beauty.
Hop up in there.
Yeah.
This one doesn't have any mold on it.
That's why I bought
Where
one.
did you get one with no
It
mold?
wasn't wet. I actually found one with a dust cover too. How about that?
Oh, this
As long as you get it.
Better leave it now, I don't think, you know, get over that.
Rose, everyone.
Merry Christmas!
Hello.
Max's first Christmas! Olivia's not here yet, but she'll be here next Christmas. Here at 4:30. Christmas 2005.
Hey, Biggs.
You want this?
What's wrong, man?
Oh, is that yours now, Victoria? Victoria, what is it?
Oh, help me. Help me.
Tell Aunt Liz what Santa brought you.
Oh,
Oh.
Grandma's the biggest mama.
Laptop.
He's solid. He's solid.
And a Build-A-Bear.
Biggest mama is?
Whatever she wants to Build-A-Bear. What is that? Look, she got big whole side.
Oh, he's got look at his feet. The big rolls.
Because if you're going to make gravy for Thanksgiving and for Christmas, you need extra giblets.
Loopies, what are you doing?
Use the chicken giblets of it, you know,
No rest for the granny.
for the neck and all that. We say,
Oh, good.
My paw up here.
Loopy doops. You don't need that stuff. You're on a diet. You're on a diet.
you sure looking at it closely.
Oh, she wants it.
Silky with the night bandages with it. It's like a second skin.
Hello, Biggs. Biggie Smallies.
Y'all don't have to come by us just to go shopping. I've got you.
It's well seated in this mountain.
How do you conquer these stairs? It's so night.
Every day.
Autopilot? I mean, like,
Very
you
sleepy. He's a sleepy
I
guy.
don't just let him lay up here and scream just
How
because
sleepy he is.
I just mean, how do you do it like you got one eyeball open?
Well, he looks like his dad there. His dad's trying to get some rack and somebody dares to let a little light in.
That's ridiculous.
The light.
That's how they fall.
No.
All of us
And
like,
he'll-
this, like the music of the night. You
All
know?
right, I'm going to take one flash so I don't make them too quick.
You might have to be pulling on some of your arm hair. He might have to be pulling on your watch. That's just
Of
what he
course.
does.
It's all right.
He likes to
That's what
fiddle
God
while
does.
he eats.
So if we move this in.
That's funny.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be.
Why would you do that with a babe in arms, Fivio?
No, it just means he does that when he's tired too.
Yeah, it's you know, 60 years of perversion.
Yeah, exactly.
Not with the babe, it's when he's cranky
It's sort
and
of an
tired.
acquired taste, you know.
When I'm tired, I need to do, okay, I'm going to do one flash and then I'm going to make him in crazy. So.
That's all right. I think he's.
Come on, dude. Walk it. Hey! Yay! Yay! Oh, damn it. Oh, turn it around. Turn it around, dude.
Oh, goodness.
Oh, damn it.
Go straight. You want to go across the room or you going for daddy? Let's go this way.
Come over here towards me. Yeah. Oh, look at that dude go. Oh, hello, dude. What you doing, boy? What you doing? You pulling all that stuff out of there? We just put it back. Oh, what? Why'd you get that? Why you did that, boy? That's bad. Oh, you bad. Oh, you bad, Matty Heavy. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, you's a bad, Matty Heavy. What? What? You standing up all by yourself? Oh, oh, look who walking. Uh-oh, I felt popping. I felt down. You love that thing, huh? Yes. Ooh, wipe it on the floor a little bit. Sop up that floor. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, sop up some of that floor and then gets it in your mouth. Mmm, that's interesting. I love that. Oh, right. I'm off. I'm outie. Where you going, boy? Hey, Robert. Oh, hi. Hello. Where you going?
Good.
Give him some more.
Here we go. Oh, that's a good one.